Now this illustration deals with field marking in accordance with NEC 110.24a. Now notice there's a label there in orange. Now the label is installed by 110.16a and b. Now Z535 would point out that since that's an orange label, when you open the door, there would be another cover that you would remove, and that would have danger on it. But if you remove that cover with that orange label on it, and right there was the energized components and conductors, then that should be a red label, because it's immediate danger, imminent danger as soon as you open it up. Now, the note 1 right above the equipment states, for arc flash hazard analysis, information, and available fault current, see 70E 130.5H an exception. Now that means the owner has to put that label on. But the short circuit, available short circuit current of 110.24, if that's required, that has to be a label that would be put on by the and designed for the designing engineer, and the electrician would put that on. See. Now to the right of the equipment there, you see for other labeling review sections, if a high leg was involved, we would look at 110.15, and that gives you the high leg requirement. It has to be orange or some kind of identification that would please the authority having jurisdiction. 230.56 gives the listing if it's service equipment. 408.3 E and F kind of deals with sub panels and switch gear and service boards and things like that, switchboards. And then NFPA 79 13.2.4.1 would deal with equipment that was industrial rated machinery. NFPA 70E 200.1 information, all maintenance is recommended to be performed by NFPA 70B. Now, we're going to pick up now the label that's to the left that has the 480, 277 volt, 3-phase, 4-wire, 60 hertz system. 2,000 amps is a horizontal bus. So that means the bus is 2,000 amps. The short circuit current rating that has been calculated by 110.24a and b is 64,000 amps. Now, the available fault current that we see next is 48,850 amp. The date calculated is 1 and 1, 14 or 17, either one, NEC 110.24a. Now, the equipment rating has to be capable of interrupting the short circuit current. Now, our short circuit current is 48,850 amps. The equipment has 64,000 amp rating. So we indeed can interrupt that available short circuit current. So we can well see then that 110.16a and b, as well as 70E 130.5H, along with 110.24a, has been satisfied with field markings by the contractor, as well as by the owner of the equipment. So this illustration does comply with field marking in accordance with NEC 110.24a and as well as B.